The very first video with our new infrared camcorder, using the night vision light, which I can't actually see with my eyes. Only the camera picks this up. I'm already having trouble finding my way. Ghost Hunters was right. It is difficult. Hitting something. What is that? Oh. Okay, that's the television over there. Right? And if you want to know what I mean by not being able to see anything, I'm just going to do this. Not very pleasant. That's much nicer. As you can see, it's great quality. A great camcorder with a great light. As you can see, that's the stairs that go up, and above that is obviously that. Find my way down the stairs. But there is the first trial video as I bump into something with the infrared camera and phantom light. We'll be doing the first official investigation with this camera later tonight, probably around 7. And it's going to be a whole house investigation.